Hey y'all, my name's Julia if you're new to this channel, and I am back with another video. I'm so sorry that there was a delay. As you can see, I remodeled my room, so that's why it has been a while since I posted. And they had Christmas, New Year's, and all the holidays, so I'm so sorry about that, you guys, but I will definitely be more consistent with my videos. But enough with the talking. Easter is around the corner, so I wanted to give y'all a cute and simple makeup look, but still vibrant for Easter. So if you want to see how to do this look, keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and y'all comment if y'all want me to do a brow tutorial. So I put the Fenty Beauty primer on my eyelids, and then I'm taking my Born This Way concealer in the color Swan, and I'm gonna put that on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers so I can get the most coverage. Make sure you blend everything nicely so you don't have no creases before you apply your eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my Anastasia brush and I'm going to use the bigger part to blend. Now I'm going to go in with the color Canvas from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take that color, I'm going to put it right under my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the color B, and I'm going to put that color right in my crease. And I'm going to take the smaller part of my brush and use that to put it in the crease. And you could reapply however many times you want till you get the desired brightness of the color, and make sure you blend out them corners. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Skip, and then I'm gonna apply that right under the yellow. So in my crease, but mostly on my lid, the outer corner of my lid. And make sure you blend that out too. And you can apply more of the yellow color on top, so you can see the yellow. Now I'm going to take another clean brush, and I'm going to go in with the color 518, and I'm going to put that right in between the yellow and the pink to make that ombre effect. I'm going to apply more pink to make it more pinkish. And you can always reapply any three of the colors if you don't think it's enough. I'm going to take the color Canvas, the first color we use, and I'm just trying to soften up the inner corners. Next, I'm going to take another clean brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Artistry, the nice shimmery purple color, and I'm going to put that color on my lid, and you could always build up this color. and apply more pink to the outer corner to make it pop more. Make sure everything's nice and blended, and as you can see, I went in with more yellow at the top. Then I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus setting spray and I'm going to dip my brush in the purple artistry, and I'm going to spray that after and apply it on my eyelid again to just make it pop more, the color. Now I'm going to take the color Flashback and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to put it in my inner corners too. And just make sure you soften up the inner corners. Now I'm going to use my Stila glitter eyeshadow in the color Diamond Dust, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm just going to touch up the purple again. I applied my lashes, and my lashes are from Go Glam. They have Instagram and it's in the style Daydream. And I applied my eyeliner with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Trooper Black liquid pen. Next, I'm going to take my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline and put that to hide my pores. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Matte Primer and put that on my face so I could prep for foundation. I'm taking my Fora foundation in the color 102 Nude and my damp beauty blender and applying my foundation on top of my beauty blender, then applying it to my face. I don't know about y'all, but I could sit here all day and just blend my foundation out because it's so satisfying. The more you blend, the more natural it's gonna look. So you could blend away. And make sure you put your foundation on your neck. We don't want to have anybody with two different skin tones on their neck and their face. I'm taking my Born This Way concealer, the one I put on my eyelid, and I'm just going to put 3 dots under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and blend that out. Then I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Golden Light. And I'm going to put that right on my cheekbones. And make sure you don't put too much because you don't want to look too cakey. and blend it on your cheeks and your forehead, and then go in on your nose and conceal your nose to make your nose look snatched. Then I'm gonna apply more bronzer, the one from Hoola, and I'm gonna put that over what I just applied. I'm taking my blush by Tarte in the color Party, and I'm gonna apply a little bit to bring some depth into the look. It just adds a little bit of color to your face. And now I'm just blending out the contour so I don't have no harsh lines. Then I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in the color Translucent, and I'm going to put it right under my eyes and then on my nose and my forehead, my chin, and under my contour. And I'm gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes to let my face bake. I'm also gonna put some on my smile lines because I have really bad smile lines. While baking, my lips were dry, so I put some Vaseline on my lips. I usually take my beauty blender and press it in under my eyes, and then the rest of my face I brush it off with a big brush. And I always let the baking under my cheeks, where my contour is, bake the longest so it could be the sharpest. Now I'm going to take that purple color I put on my lids and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. And I alternate from a Q-tip to a brush. It just depends on what you like better. Then I take the orange I use on my lid and I apply that to the lower inner corner. Now it's time to wipe the powder off my face. Next, I'm going to take my Lauren Giller highlighter palette and I'm going to take the color Peach Glow and I'm going to apply that. Then I'm going to take the color Gilded Honey right next to it and I'm going to apply that over it. After I apply the highlight, I'm going to take my D-Slick Urban Decay setting spray and spray my face. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry. And then after it dries, I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlight in the color Molten Rose Gold. And I like a lot of highlight, so apply as much as you wish. And for the lips, I'm going to take my Jordana lip liner in the color Tawny. And I'm going to outline my lips. After I outline them, I'm going to take my matte liquid lipstick by The Balm in the color Charmatic. And I'm going to apply that to my lips. And the look is complete. Thank you guys. Love y'all so much. Please like, comment, and share. And subscribe. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and sorry about the delay, but I will definitely be more consistent, and I will see you guys later. Thank y'all. See you later, alligators.